Hello, my name is Ariana Salvi and I am in Information Systems, and I wanted to show my Tableau project for what I learned and how I was able to interact with the data set and do filters. So I'm gonna share the screen. Okay, so here I uploaded the data set that we were given, and you can see it says country, region, state, zip code, and so on and so forth. And then with the profits, I was able to turn it into the percentage from the other video. As you can see here, I did profits in each region for my first sheet, and you can see that West is in first place, then it goes East, Central, and then South, with West making the most profit for each region. For the units sold by state, you can see that California has a majority of the profits. However, all of the other ones in color show less. So you can see that it goes from darker to lighter, and that I added the color for. For profits by city, I added labels and color as well, as you can see. So we're able to click on a certain data or a certain spot in the data to locate the numbers. So as you can see, you can see Warren Robbins is $32,000 for profit. And then I did do a little drilling in for this one, and I picked certain states. So this one was Alabama, Arizona, and Arkansas. And you can see this one just states it directly, and because of this one, that one was simple. So then for that, I did items sold by year. So you can see all of the instruments and then the profits that they made, as well as, let me lower the screen, as well as the years. So 2020 or 2021 was what I decided to do. For the dashboard, the interactive dashboard, you're able to see the West. If you go East, obviously when you click East, Alabama and Arizona aren't in it, which I found was nice to point out for the whole data set. Central recognizes only the ones in the central, same with South, as I did the filters. And then let's say I click over here, you see that Lake Charles is in Alabama, so Mobile, Alabama, and then which is in the South. For my stories, I did 5 different story panels. I did the items sold by year for the first one, which is the one I just took from over here and imported it here. And then I highlighted the items sold in 2020, which is all the blue ones. And then items sold in 2021, which is the orange. And then these first, I'm not sure where that just uploaded, include, so you would do command, and these are the first 4. And then same with the French horns would be French horns, and flute sold would just be these. So you get the years for 2020, 2021 for flute, and then for the French horn, 2020 and 2021. You can see that in 2020 for French horns, they sold about 200 million, sorry. And then it decreased in profit in 2020 for the other instruments, but I just wanted to drill in on 2 of the instruments. So as you can see here, all of these are interactive, and you're able to point on whichever one. So for this one, because I clicked here, I have to go back to the dashboard. I have to click this to release, if I can. Okay, so for Seattle's in the West, obviously it's not in Alabama or Arizona, so nothing points up. I found this interesting just because you're able to import a certain set of data. So in this case, we were given one, so I changed the rows to 1,000. We were able to notice where all the data set comes from. And I like just being able to point out specific states and see what numbers have for each profit and each instrument for it. So yeah, thank you.